y'all, welcome to Chef LeBron. Today we're going to make horchata with white rice and almonds. I have soaked 1 cup of rice, 1/4 cup of almonds, 2/3 cup of white sugar, and 1 stick of cinnamon overnight with 4 cups of water. I'm going to take out the cinnamon and put it in my cup with ice. Now I'm going to pour the mixture into the blender. Take a spoon and take out the rest. Set it to chop. You just want to blend it a little bit. Take the mixture and strain it into a bowl. Add 3/4 cup of whole milk. Add an additional 2 cups of water. Now it's ready to serve. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, that's so refreshing. It's a great summer drink. Enjoy.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.